Well, did you get everything you were hoping for? Did Santa bring you all the cool DJ toys that you wanted? Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License. And again, thanks for checking in on me. Thanks for being nice to the sponsors. The Electro Voice, DJ Event Planner, Promo Only, Perfect Portals, The Entertainment Experience, and Disc Jockey News. So, okay. Now it's the new year. In a couple of days, we're going to be looking at the new year, 2026. And a lot of you I know are asking about New Year's resolutions, or you've thought about, should I have some New Year's resolutions? What are those things that you want? I mean, is it that you're resolved that you'll get more gear, or that you'll build your business, or you'll find more time for your family? What is it that you're hoping for? You want to make $1 million. You want to be super successful. I think these are great ideas. So what are you doing to make that happen? See, that's the thing about New Year's resolutions that are kind of a bummer. It's because I know a lot of people that have them, but then they don't have a plan to make them come to pass, right? A New Year's resolution is only as good as the plan that you create to get what you want. So what is it that you want? Be specific. I want to be rich is not specific, right? I want to have better gear is not specific. I want to be a better gear. That's a better DJ rather. That's not specific. So what are you doing to be sure that you get the thing that you want? Number one, specifically, I want to make another $10,000 this year. Okay, that's a great idea. And it's a great little wish. It'd be better though if you actually put a plan to it. So what are you going to do to be sure that that is your thing? It's not that tough to do. I mean, you know how to get what you want. It's just that we put it out there, we want it, and then we kind of hope that it'll happen. So this is what I tell you, okay? Come up with 3 things, very specific things that you want in your life. And whether it be something that is a piece of gear that you can have, or more time, or you want to lose weight. Those things are all great resolutions. What I need you to do, though, is sit down with that and say, so if I want to have that, what's the first thing that I have to do every day to be sure I get closer to it, right? If it's losing weight, what's the first thing that you have to do every day to be sure that losing weight is what you want? And were you specific? You want to lose weight, or you want to lose 100 pounds, or 50 pounds, or 20 pounds. More specific is going to be better, because then you can really narrow down on the thing that's really necessary to get you what you want. I want to lose 20 pounds, and I'd like to do it in a month. Okay, so every day I'm going to get up and I'm going to plan out my meals. And my meals are going to be a certain amount of calories every single day for 1 week. I'm going to measure myself in the morning, and then 1 week I'm going to measure myself. I'm going to weigh myself in a week and find out where that is. And I'm going to do that every single week. Or I'm going to do that every single day, because now I have a plan. And as long as you're moving towards the thing, because it's not like it's tough. We do know how to lose weight, right? Eat less, move more. So specifically, what are you going to eat? And how much less of it are you going to eat? And how much are you going to move? And what does more look like? And when are you going to do it? And how often are you going to do it? Put that plan down on paper, and then make that your plan every single solitary day. Make a week plan. Over 1 week, we're going to do this, and the second week, we're going to do that. You will be able to have whatever you want. That resolution is now a plan, because a resolution is, it's the old saying, right? A resolution is just a wish without a plan, right? It's been said in a lot of different ways, but this is a good time to think about it, right? Because the new year's upon us. It feels new. It feels fresh. It feels like we should be doing something to better ourselves, or to better our situation, or to do whatever it is we want. So instead of better, what does better look like? What do you think of this? Write down your comments below. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.